Hello dear viewers, James Braithwaite here, and you join me while I'm preparing a new window box for my flat. Got some potting compost from B&Q. These window boxes from eBay. And a miniature rose from Sainsbury's. I've got another 2 roses at home that I'm going to finish these off with. Sorry if it's a bit dim, it's just the time of day it is. So this rose looks a bit gopping, I admit, but hopefully, I have bought roses from gas stations before, and they've really come out well in the past. So I'm hoping that this one will, because I've got 2 other mini roses at home, like I say, that are getting used to the climate on the outdoor windowsill of my patio window. So just give this a bit of a squirt. If there's any water anywhere. Yeah, there is. Not water it in too much because it's going in my car and having the journey on the way home. Anyway, here it is. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hello, for now.